Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 24-inch Limor LED TV. Here in this TV, the fault is standby. Here you can see the TV is not releasing from this standby. See friends, this is the fault. Here you can see this is the model number of the TV. So there are basically three reasons for this issue. One reason is with the motherboard memory. It's because of a software related problem. Otherwise, the second reason is main IC fault. And the third reason is because of any shorting in keypad or IR sensor will cause this issue. Here you can see the TV is not responding with the keypads and remote. See friends, now we open the backer of the TV. Here you can see this is the motherboard. See friends, the TV is not responding with the remote. In the LED checker, see friends, in the camera, here you can see that the remote is working properly. See friends, the IR LED is glowing. This means that the remote is working properly. Also, the keypad is not responding. While checking the motherboard, here we found that the motherboard is working. There is no problem with the motherboard. Here the issue with the keypad and sensor. See friends, now I am going to short the power button using a chooser. See friends, now the TV is released from the standby. After shorting the power button using a chooser, here you can see the result. Now the TV is released from the standby. So this means that the problem is with the keypad and IR sensor. So here we are going to replace the IR sensor of the TV. See friends, this is the IR sensor. So here we need to replace the faulty IR sensor. You can get this IR sensor from a old universal board. See friends, this is the sensor board and here you can see the IR sensor. The black one is the IR sensor. The IR sensor pin contains basically three legs. Here you can see the one is ground and the other is VCC and IR out connections respectively. See friends, here we replace the faulty sensor with alternate one. See friends, now in this condition, using the remote, let us try to release the TV from the standby. See friends, now the TV is released from the standby. So the new sensor is working properly. See friends, now the volume increase, all buttons are working properly. So now the TV is repaired successfully. You can see now the sensor is working properly. So the TV is repaired successfully. So in this situation, now we can put the back cover and our screws back to TV. See friends, finally here you can see this is the final output. Now the TV is working properly. Here you can see now the remote is also working. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.